Are you tired of feeling drained and low on strength? Ready to discover proven strategies that boost your testosterone levels naturally? Dive into this video where we unpack science-backed techniques, from dietary adjustments to lifestyle changes, crafted to awaken your inner vigor and vitality. Join us on this empowering journey to revitalize your energy, amplify your strength, and reignite your confidence. Take charge of your well-being and embark on this transformative path to a revitalized you. Subscribe now and embark on this transformative journey to unleash your vitality and strength. Testosterone, the cornerstone of masculinity, wields influence over physical and mental vitality in men. Beyond sculpting muscles and body hair, it governs cognitive abilities like mood regulation and memory retention. This hormone defines male traits, impacting energy levels, sexual drive, and fertility. Moreover, it contributes significantly to heart health and bone density, vital for preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Its influence extends to metabolism, affecting body composition, fat distribution, and muscle mass. Testosterone's impact isn't solely physical, it also shapes emotional well-being, confidence, and mental sharpness. A dip in testosterone, often accompanying aging or due to various lifestyle factors and stress, can lead to reduced libido, fatigue, decline in muscle mass and changes in physical appearance, aka dad bod. In essence, testosterone holds the key to a man's vitality and overall quality of life. Natural testosterone boosters. Boosting testosterone naturally involves embracing a comprehensive lifestyle approach. This includes maintaining a balanced diet abundant in nutrients that promote testosterone production, engaging in regular exercise and strength training, managing stress effectively, ensuring quality sleep, and steering clear of detrimental habits like excessive alcohol intake and smoking. Additionally, reducing exposure to environmental toxins can play a significant role in enhancing testosterone levels. Boosting testosterone naturally involves consuming a well-balanced diet rich in specific nutrients. Here's a list of foods known to aid in enhancing testosterone levels. 1. Oysters. These sea treasures are zinc-rich wonders, a mineral essential for testosterone production. Zinc plays a crucial role in synthesizing luteinizing hormone, LH, driving the testes to produce testosterone. Pair that with vitamin D in oysters, and you've got a dynamic duo. Vitamin D not only supports testosterone synthesis but also boosts bone health, ensuring overall well-being. 2. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids renowned for their heart-healthy perks. These fats fortify the cardiovascular system, reducing the risk of heart disease. Some studies suggest these fats might also influence testosterone levels positively. Incorporating these omega-3s into your diet might support testosterone production, providing a natural energy boost. Furthermore, their anti-inflammatory attributes benefit joint health and cognitive function. 3. Lean meats. Protein from lean meats such as beef, chicken, and turkey is pivotal for muscle growth and repair. Adequate protein intake is essential as muscle tissue is one of the major sites where testosterone is synthesized. Zinc, another component found in these meats, plays a crucial role in stimulating hormone production and converting testosterone into its active form, dihydrotestosterone, DHT. Vitamin D, also present in lean meats, is associated with healthier testosterone levels. However, it's essential to consume lean meats in moderation to avoid potential health risks. 4. Eggs, a nutritional powerhouse. Eggs provide the complete set of 9 essential amino acids vital for muscle development, which in turn is crucial in the production of testosterone. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin D, a big influencer on testosterone synthesis. Low levels of this vitamin have been linked to decreased testosterone. Eggs also pack the good cholesterol, a precursor to testosterone, and higher intake might give testosterone a boost. And let's not forget the contributions of zinc and selenium for overall male health. 5. Beans and lentils. These legumes are the plant-based powerhouse. Packed with protein, they're muscle fuel, supporting testosterone production where it matters most. The high fiber content steadies blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes that could lower testosterone. And guess what? They're rich in zinc and magnesium, essential elements for testosterone production, making them the perfect package deal for boosting T levels. 6. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are loaded with magnesium that kickstart testosterone by triggering luteinizing hormone, LH. Magnesium also frees up more testosterone by managing sex hormone-binding globulin, SHBG. Plus, they're a vitamin D and nitric oxide goldmine, vital for synthesis and blood flow to the testes. Their antioxidants protect those precious testosterone-producing cells. 7. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenol that act as antioxidants, safeguarding cells and potentially improving testicular function, leading to boosted testosterone. Pomegranate's ability to lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, indirectly supports healthy testosterone. It also boosts nitric oxide, championing blood vessels and erectile function. 8. Avocado, brimming with monounsaturated fats like oleic acid which support testosterone production by reducing inflammation. Despite smaller amounts, vitamin D and magnesium play various roles in bodily functions, including testosterone regulation. Avocados also contain trace amounts of boron, believed to impact testosterone metabolism positively. 9. Bananas are potassium-rich, indirectly supports healthy testosterone by fueling various bodily functions. They're a low-key source of vitamin B6, hinting at hormonal balance. And that lesser-known anti-inflammatory bromelain? It might calm testicular inflammation, potentially supporting testosterone production. 10. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C, and fiber. Berries create an ideal cellular environment for testosterone production. Vitamin C, a catalyst for testosterone synthesis, might potentially boost vitality and overall well-being. 11. Nuts and seeds contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which regulates testosterone by reducing inflammation and enhancing insulin sensitivity. Varieties like pumpkin and hemp seeds are excellent sources of zinc, crucial for testosterone synthesis. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and other types offer significant amounts of vitamin E, acting as antioxidants to protect testosterone-producing cells. Additionally, they contain magnesium and arginine, contributing to various bodily functions and potentially aiding testosterone production. 12. Spices like ginger, garlic, ginseng and fenugreek, through their anti-inflammatory properties, may protect testosterone-producing cells. Ginger might enhance blood flow to the testes, potentially boosting testosterone. Garlic has shown potential in increasing testosterone levels and improving sperm quality. Garlic also reduces stress hormone cortisol, thus indirectly impacting testosterone levels. 13. Olive oil. Enriched with oleocanthal, olive oil might protect testosterone-producing cells from oxidative damage. Its potential to improve insulin sensitivity could regulate testosterone levels. 14. Dark chocolate. Abundant in flavonoids and flavonols, dark chocolate's antioxidants might shield testosterone-producing cells. Its potential to stimulate nitric oxide production might aid blood flow, supporting potential testosterone transport to the testes. Additionally, its stress-reducing properties indirectly support testosterone by mitigating stress. Enhancing your testosterone levels extends beyond dietary choices. Lifestyle habits are pivotal. Consider these strategies. 1. Steer clear of testosterone killer foods. Refined sugars and processed carbs can impact testosterone negatively. Limit soy intake as soy-based products contain compounds that mimic estrogen, suppressing testosterone production. 2. Cutting down on alcohol and quitting smoking contribute to healthier testosterone levels. 3. Prioritize quality sleep of 7 to 8 hours for optimal testosterone production and balance. 4. Incorporate consistent physical activity, particularly strength training and high-intensity workouts. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate to high-intensity exercise 3 to 5 days a week. 5. Chronic stress reduces testosterone. Engage in stress-relieving activities like yoga, meditation, mindfulness, or spending time outdoors for effective stress management. In summary, these evidence-based strategies can naturally boost your testosterone levels, offering enhanced vitality, increased muscle mass, improved cognitive function, and an overall revitalized well-being. Seize control of your health today and unlock your body and mind's true potential through testosterone optimization. There you have it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting content to nourish your body and mind. Thanks for watching.